Dear friend, how do I use the definition to show that the sequence 1 by n converges to 0? The definition is impenetrable. Even the 12 labors of Hercules seem easier.
Worry not, noble warrior. It is but practice that you require. Forget the sequence 1 by n for the moment. Consider the constant sequence 0.0001, 0.0001, 0.0001 and so on. Would you say this sequence converges to 0?
Of course not. The sequence converges to 0.0001. Now, 0.0001 is very close to 0, but it is not 0.
Very good. What if I take k to be the number of sand particles from Athens to Sparta and consider the sequence 1 by k, 1 by k, 1 by k and so on?
O wise friend, I know not the number k.
Neither do Zeus or Aphrodite. But why does it matter what the number is other than that it is some large number that is not infinity?
Oh yes, I get it now. Even if k be all the sand particles in earth and heaven, even if it be all the stars in the sky, the sequence 1 by k, 1 by k, 1 by k converges to 1 by k and not 0.
Excellent. What is different about 1 by n?
Well, it eventually gets smaller than 1 by k.
What do you mean eventually?
Well, eventually means after some appropriate point in the sequence. If n is greater than k, then 1 by n is less than 1 by k.
Right. Now what if I double k?
No problem. I will just have to go further and choose n greater than 2k. I'm starting to get what the definition is saying.
Yes, Achilles. The definition requires you to construct a function n that tells you precisely what eventually is for any given choice of epsilon greater than 0.
I understand. I can take n of epsilon to be any integer greater than 1 by epsilon.
Correct. Think of showing convergence as a challenge. Your opponent will set the challenge by giving you an epsilon. You have to meet the challenge by providing an appropriate n epsilon such that the terms in the sequence beyond n epsilon are all less than epsilon in absolute value. The function n is supposed to be a function that can meet the challenge for any epsilon greater than 0.
Thanks. Let me solve some of the exercises in this amazing NPTEL course to understand